Dear students, today I am going to show you how can you access your ICT online resources. How can you get your book Zeroone online. So the first thing you have to write www.zeroone.education. Once you will write this website, you will find this screen. Here you have to click on register, and once you will click on register, you will find this screen. In this screen, you have to fill this form, your first name, last name, your phone number, your email. You will retype your email address. From the country, you have to choose Kingdom of Saudi Arabia or which country you are. You have to write your password, and the most important thing, your ticket number. The ticket number you will get from your teacher. Your teacher will provide you the ticket number, and then the last you will click I am not a robot. After fill this form, you have to click on check ticket validation. Because you put your ticket number here, so now Zeroone will check your ticket validation. Once you write your ticket number, click on I am not a robot and check ticket validation. So you will find this screen. From here you have to choose your book. There are two types of books, right click and Zeroone. So you have to choose Zeroone and your grade. You can see there is Zeroone grade 1. There is Zeroone grade 5. There is Zeroone grade 6. You will not choose right click, you will choose 01 grade 7. I click here, I select this one, and after that I will click on submit. You will find this screen. The first stage of your registration has been successful. Now the next step, you will check your email. Sometimes you receive the confirmation email, but sometimes you will not receive it. So once you submit, after that you can open again www.zeroone.education and then click on login. Once you will click on login and you have to select this student, you will write your email address, and here you will write your password, what you fill in the form. So once you will write this and you will click I am not a robot and then click login. So you will see your class book on your account. You will find all the chapters what you have to study. You can click on the book and this flip book will open. You will click here and you can see the whole book you can see from here. You will find all the chapters here. Suppose I click on chapter number 1. So I can see this is chapter number 1 only. It will open. In the description section, you will find the description about your ICT book, what you are going to teach. In the software section, you will find all the software what you are going to learn this year. So some softwares are online and some are offline. So like for example, I open this small basic. So this is online, the website will be open and you can use whatever your teacher is teaching you. So you can see like this, there are all the softwares you will find, offline version and online version. So I hope everything will be clear. The last thing, if you want to sign out from your account, you will find the sign out option here. You can sign out from your account.